Hi, this is Tim Hegarty, VTC C++ Fundamentals. We're going to talk about expression statements, and we really don't have to talk about it very long, but it is quite important. An expression statement is a statement in the language that performs work without transferring control or any kind of iteration, like a loop, anything like that. A program is simply a sequence of expressions separated by semicolons, one after the other. Usually, you know expressions as assignments and function calls. They're the most common expressions. And a semicolon all by itself is a null expression statement. Now you're probably thinking, well, I would never use something like that. Now you probably have. If you use a for loop with two semicolons in it, that's a forever. It just sits there and runs. Or if you use you could use a while true or something like that to do a forever as well. But a for with two semicolons or two null expressions in it is a forever loop. And here, for example, a equals b plus c, that's an expression statement. Very simple. Let's take a look again at our sample code and look at some of the expression statements. There's one right there. Int return value equals 999. That does its job. It creates return value, defines it, and then initializes it to 999. But that has to happen before we step down into the next statement and the next and so on. So we can see that we have a number of expression statements. There's one, there's another one. They're doing their thing, and they're the bread and butter of the program. Okay, all separated by semicolons. So that's very simple, but quite important. Important as bricks to a builder is the expression statement.